Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We know it has been a tough time lately for everyone. We all have been locked up in our houses, which of course is for our safety. But we of course miss going out and do some sightseeing. So today, we on behalf of our school will take you for a ride. Yes, you heard it right, on a ride. But wait, how is it possible? Well, on a second thoughts, if we can do some online learning, then why not have a virtual tour? Yes, virtual tour. I would like you all to unlock your imaginations and come on a board to have a fun on this virtual ride. We shall have a small but a beautiful tour of Konkan region. And to begin with, we shall start with Ratnagiri district to Raigad district. So let's start exploring Ratnagiri city first. Aquarium. The Marine Museum has some rare and beautiful specimens like seahorse, turtle, lionfish, triggerfish, starfish, lobsters, sea snake and many more. This museum also possesses a precious collection of whale. The second view is Thiba Point. It's a popular viewpoint situated near Thiba Palace. The place is famous for the beautiful sunset. Gateway to Ratnagiri. Yeah, you heard it very correctly. It's not Gateway of India. Even we have a gateway to Ratnagiri. If you want to enjoy a peace and pleasant sound of waves, this place is one of the best tourist places. Thiba Palace. You know students that there is a small history of this palace. There was a king whose name was Thiba from Brahmadesh, which is today's Myanmar. Here the British brought the king from Brahmadesh to this palace and he stayed for many years in this palace, and so this palace was known by his name as Thiba. The king Thiba was transferred with his family from Myanmar to Madras, which is today's Chennai, and from Chennai to Ratnagiri to make sure that he could not rebel against them. So students, you can see the Lokmanya Tilak Museum. It is the ancestral house of the freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It has been turned to museum by the state government in order to preserve the memory of the great freedom fighter. Ratnadurg Fort is a historical fort situated on the shore of Arabian Sea in Ratnagiri. It was captured by Adil Shah and then conquered by Chhatrapati Shivaji. Lighthouse. It has 15-meter tower with a metal halide lamp, a radio beacon and storm warming equipment. We have many beaches in Ratnagiri, and one of them is Bhatia, which is popular picnic spot. You can enjoy horse riding, kids can play with their playing equipments, you can enjoy a yummy food stalls and of course drinking coconut water too. Next to Bhatia, there is a Titanic Point. The white sea gives a glorious look to the pics and selfies. Here you can see a Titanic boat. You can see the mountains from high and feel like a real Titanic ship. Wow, students, just see here the beautiful beaches. Are Beach and Vare Beach are connected twin beaches jointly known as the Are Vare Beach. Next to Are Vare Beach, there is Ganpati Pule. It's one of the most popular beach sites where you can enjoy camel rides, quad bikes, etc.
In Ratnagiri district in the state of Maharashtra. Kalusta is a village on the bank of Vashishti river in Chiplun Taluka. Backwater safari is very thrilling. We can see lots of different birds and crocodiles there. One of the top tourist attraction in Chiplun is the Savatsada waterfall. It is located close to the Parshuram temple. The Savatsada waterfall can only be enjoyed during the monsoon season. Almost white in color, its rippling sound and gushing scene make it a delight for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. Chiplun is connected to other parts of the country mainly by National Highway 66. This is the beautiful V-shaped bridge of Chiplun, commonly known as Bazar Bridge.
Roha is a small city and taluka in the Raigad district of the Maharashtra state of India. This hill is famous place in Roha. The whole city is visible from this place. Kolad is 15 minutes away from Roha. Welcome to our virtual trip to Kolad river rafting. It will be very interesting and enjoyable trip. I hope you all children will like as well as enjoy this trip. Let's start our trip. As you can see, we are entering our trip venue Wilder West Adventurous. This is Kundalika River. The Kundalika is a small river flowing from the hills of Sahyadri to the Arabian Sea. This river originates at a small town called Bhira, in which river rafting is enjoyed. Look children, how much they are enjoying this ride in the middle of the river. Look how beautiful environment it is, and it is very adventurous. The breezing wind, the cold water and the green environment, it is very amazing. After river rafting, there are restroom and cottages to take care of. I am really hoping that you all enjoy this river rafting virtual trip.
So my dear students, hope you all have enjoyed your virtual trip. So one more thing, stay home, stay safe. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.